Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. We're gonna start in 9 minutes, all right? 9 minutes. So sit tight, like up the stream, get some questions and tickers in, and I'll be with you shortly. Peace. Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello to those who have just joined. What up? Get some questions and tickets in. Let's go. It's Friday. Markets popping. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. We're going to start 3 minutes. Sin's breaking out right now. Don't know if anyone grabbed that trade, but fantastic job if you did. See you 3 minutes. Morning, guys. 1 minute till we start. 1 minute. Be ready. All right, what up, everybody? Hello. Hello. What is everyone doing this weekend? What is up? Absolutely killing it in the Discord, crushing it. I'm giving you absolute bangers even on Twitter for free. A lot of people making money. Gave GNS at like 69 cents, gave Synod under 10. BBAI I gave under like $5. We've been trading that all week. I've had one red trade this whole week, which is amazing, which is great. It's not like that every week, but we had one red trade only, which was on Monday, which was Sana. Only a 3% loss. But what an amazing week so far. Best week probably in the last 2 months for me personally as a trader. Rightio, this is still looking good. NAOV looks fantastic. Good morning. What up, Mohammed? Happy Islamic New Year to all those who are celebrating. I am not Muslim, but I live in Dubai, and it is obviously it's a Muslim country. So yeah, everyone is off here. HCTI is not my kind of setup, to be honest. It's 4 cents, 2 cents. Leave this stock alone. It's trash. Trash. So HCTI, leave this alone. It is 2 cents. Don't trade a 2 cent stock, please. Avoid it, or you can ask someone else. I'm not going to give you some feedback on that. Just don't trade it, bro. There's way better setups. Sin is looking fantastic. Predicted the breakout. Told you the breakout. Don't know what more I can do. Maybe go to your house and click buy on the stock, but I gave it to you. I did tell you setting up for a breakout. How long ago? 8 minutes ago. I told you 8 minutes ago. Everybody like that tweet that I just put. Let's see how many people are in here from Twitter and Discord, guys. Everyone go like that tweet. Let's go. Let's go. Giving you guys free money on a Friday. How fun is that? Nice little 15%er. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, your target, I hold for 5%. That is how I trade. When I enter a trade, if I go with 1,000 shares, I will sell 50% at my first target, which is 5%. Then if it goes up 7, 8, 10, 20, 30%, I'll scale out the rest when I'm personally happy. There's no proper way of scaling out personally. I just go with the way I like to trade and the way I see the stock. For example, I'd be out 50% already now, probably 80%. Move my stop loss to break even. Wherever the rest, if it keeps going up, scale out. If not, I get stopped out, run my entry. That's simply how I trade. I don't hold for targets. To be honest, I aim for percentages. That's what I trade. But you have $25 as your next psychological level. Right here. You can see it's rejecting this. 25, 27.50, and then $30. That is what I see on this. They dropped an offering yesterday, didn't they? It's still cooking. So well done to those who took it. Sin is key levels. These are your key levels. So these are your next resistance. If it breaks and closes above 25, you have room 27.50. Close above that, room to 30. That's how it works. All right. Okay, HCTI, good morning. Sin, RR, thank you for helping us. No problem, my friend. I'm here to help. RR looks good. Yeah, breaking this resistance level looks great. I'll give you some next key resistance levels like 262, 262. Very nice. And then this one here, 242. There you go. Breaking out looks great. Market is very, very good. I'm so excited to trade next week. Cannot wait. Itching, I'm itching, I'm itching. But this is breaking out very good. Robotics play. It runs with AI quantum theme. So BBAI is also up, I think. Yeah, 1%. Not really, but overall chart is bullish on that. Looks good though. RR looks great. Please also don't spam tickers, guys. I see everyone's tickers. Just keep them coming in if you haven't posted, or just, I prefer questions, but if you want to put the tickers, go ahead. I'll get to them as soon as possible, right? I'm just going through the top questions and I'll go all the way down to the bottom. APLD is still bullish and it's trying to break out. Just needs volume. Trying to break out. Well, I mean, technically it has broken out. How do we know? Because this candle closed above the downtrend here, which confirms a breakout, meaning it should push up. Have a target, stop loss, that's all those kind of things, you know. Simple, simple stuff. Sin is making me rich. Well done, Mr. Totes. Fantastic job. Glad you are trading that. Good afternoon. What up, my friend? SOPA has extremely low volume. This is really not my kind of trade setup. I'm assuming you're waiting for news of some sort. Or maybe you are bag holding on this. I don't know. You have your major resistances here. Like, I would just do 170 to be honest. Make a psychological level. Maybe above here, then you have clean range to the upside. Because you have here, then you have resistance here, 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 and then all the way up here. So yeah, you can wait for 170 to look for entries. If you are in, I don't know, I'd be out at 5% stop loss. That's personally how I trade. As a day trader, swing trades, I would have like max 5 or 7 to 10 stop loss, percent stop loss. All right, SOPA, wait for 170 break to enter. Does that make sense? 170 must close above, then you enter like this. You can use any time frame. If the candle body closes above like this, fantastic. That gives you a confirmation of a breakout, meaning the resistance is broken, the downtrend or the trend, bearish trend is broken. Now it should expect to go up. If the candle body doesn't close above like this and rejects, then you do not enter. Got it? Clear? BREA, I think this is another low volume play. Yeah, BREA, nothing on this. I'm not too sure why looking at these plays. I don't see anything on them yet. Based on technicals, I don't know anything about the company, CEO, news, nothing. Earnings, I don't know. I can tell you right now that this is ranging, which is not ideal. You don't want to be trading in a range. So personally would avoid something like this. I would just say this is no trade zone. BREA in a no trade zone. No trade zone. All right. No trade zone. I'm tracking WGRX, nice break. ISA is above EWAP. Someone asked me about WGRX in the Discord. Above 156. 156. Fig. Hello, SAFX. Let's have a look. SAFX. this. This is a weird chart. I want to change here. I don't know why this chart, why Weeble does this sometimes. It zooms out so much, I have to scroll. Also, this might be, I don't know, maybe luck of draw. Does anyone know someone at Weeble who can reach out to me, or know someone who can reach out to me? They can send me a DM. Trying to get them to put a watermark on my pictures or my charts. So if I could like right click, go to chart settings, appearance, like interval and symbols can be here like this, but trying to see if I can get my logo on there. Tagline trading would be fantastic. So then even if these bots do spam my stuff, I don't care, because then at least I get my credit for my work. Right now it's just copying my charts, but I know my charting is kind of unique with the colors and all that, and clean charts, so who knows, but I'd prefer to have something like that. Wait for 363 on SAFX. For me, it's too low volume. It's not great at the moment. XBP. What's happening with XBP? Nothing on XBP. Not too sure what you're looking at on this. Yeah, there's nothing going on. Absolutely nothing. I have 136 here, but yeah, I don't know. It's not my style of trade. Maybe a downtrend, you can draw that, but it's too low volume. This is definitely not a play you want to look at. For now, at least. XBP, currently bearish. So I write currently bearish because maybe it'll run in the next 2 seconds, and the time I chart this and post it like this, it means that it's bearish. Target for sin. As I mentioned, I don't hold for targets. If I do, I hold for percentages. I aim for 3 to 5% target, and I have max 3% stop loss. But you can have 5% stop loss, 5% target. That's what I would suggest. You could sell 50%. You sell 50. No, I do not sell 50. That's not what I'm saying. If I have 1 million shares or 100,000 shares or 1 share or 500 shares, I sell half of it, 50%. So if it gets to my first target, if I enter now and it goes up 5%, I will sell 50%. So if I buy 1,000 shares, I will sell 500 shares at my first target. If it goes up more, 10, 20, 30, 40%, I will scale out the rest when I'm happy. I don't sell it exact percentages, but I do sell at my first target always, at least then. Hope that should be very clear for you now to understand, but I do not sell 50. Yeah. HSAI is trying to break here, break retest. Nice on this. 19% runner yesterday. Here is the prediction for this play. Here is the prediction for this play. We have HSAI prediction. Here we go. Here's the Discord link. Someone on Twitter just DM me. This is the Twitter link for that person who asked. Yes, here's the post. I sent you the DM post, but I've also put it here for you and for those who are also asking. LIDR. LIDR, let's have a look. We have $1. Yeah, just wait for $1 reclaim on this. I'm not really interested in something like this, LIDR. Too low volume, it's got a weird candle here. Wait for $1 reclaim or maybe the break of the high, but this candle wick, this candle dot there is not what you want to see. Shows lack of volume, rejection, won't respect pretty much any technicals yet. Needs to reclaim $1. Yeah, needs to reclaim $1. Above that will be fine. HOVR, what's happening with this? HOVR, downtrend, 4 hour. HOVR is bearish right now, unfortunately. Sorry, that might hurt your feelings a bit, but maybe I can put in a bullish pennant for you. I try and make everything as bullish as I can when I chart, if it is at least clear. So we have this and this and this. Demand zone. There you go. Falling wedge. Set up right here. Looks good actually, to be fair. If this gets volume, then it will definitely respect this breakout. If you do enter, just make sure to have a stop loss and target in place. But yeah, larger time frame, this is very good. So I would say a larger time frame on hover is bullish. RZLV, please, no problem. RZLV, entries above 311. Entries above 311. Anything below, just leave it for now, alright? Leave it for now. Leave it for now. Here we go. All right. Mr. Swing Potential. Yeah, I mean, the market's reversing very nice. I like it. Right now, I mean, it's not in a swing setup. For me personally, I look for bullish chart patterns based on this. Right now, it's just ranging. That means it's consolidating in this level. No clear like direction. See how close it is? 397. I just do 400 to be honest. I know it's high up and all those things, but for me, if we can break above 400, then I would be confident to invest in this based on technicals. Obviously, these $300, $400 stocks, you want to do DD and understand more about the company and things if you're going to invest long term, because you don't want to just day trade a $400 stock. You ain't going to make much money. Entries above $400 for a swing. That should be clear. NAOV. NAOV just needs to hold 110. Yeah, it needs to hold 110. If it breaks below there, then I think it's done. Make sure to have a stop loss if you are in it. XBP. Someone asked me about XBP already. I went over XBP. In a downtrend, bearish. I know people are asking a few times here, but maybe it's going to run. There's news pending, but at the moment, I don't see anything. Iron. Former runner. Let's see, Iron 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you see there's a lot of choppiness over here. I would wait for a close about 1075 to take an entry. I don't really like all of this noise here. It's a bit too complicated, too much on the emotions. I don't know what's going to happen. I want to have a clean setup. I don't want to be trying to force some random setup. So Iron entries are only above 1175. Sorry, 1075. So if you enter below, I don't know, I can't help you, but I'm trying to help and say only above 1075. All right, live trading now, yes. Let me retweet this link. Here we go, we're live trading now. Get more people in here. Friday, everyone should be here. Join. Join. Watermark. Not available. Yeah, I know it's not available. I'm just messaging them and asking them if they can make it available. I'm sure they can do it. It's not difficult. Third party. How do I use a third party for that? Oh, I know what you mean too. Yeah, use another website. I mean, I know I can use like Canva or something, or some paint or whatever to add it, but it just takes too much time, especially that I'm just putting tickers. I don't want to do this, then put the watermark, and then that. It takes too much time for me personally. Be great if you can do it. Otherwise, I'd have to use another platform. CNVS. CNVS moving up. Yeah, we'll keep it on the watch list. Nothing exciting yet. Is it above you up? Can wait for a close above like $5. Yeah, so we'll just keep it here. We'll keep an eye on it. Close eye. QUBT, what's happening with QUBT? Wait, isn't there news? Wasn't there news out? Let's see, Forex Factory calendar. Green, actual. Forecast is 0.1%, 0.2 PC index. Interesting. QUBT is setting up for a breakout, but needs volume. This is very slow. Falling wedge demand zone is a bullish chart. So QUBT. Still bullish. PRME, what's happening here? Wow, PRME is obviously prime right now because it is cooking on high heat. Yeah, so we have a strong uptrend. I mean, there's nothing I can tell you other than it's an uptrend. I personally don't like to buy when something is this bullish, because what goes up like this has to come down. There's no way this is not coming down. So I would personally just wait it out. I would not touch it until it gets to a better entry, probably to trend line of some sort. But yeah, overall chart is very bullish. If you're in it, congrats. If you're not, yeah, I would just wait. Maybe 250 level would be good entries. Kind of the trend line, to be honest. Right, we have PRME, bullish trend. Very nice. LRMR. LRMR. Everybody, let's like up the stream, right? I'm going to pause everything. 13 likes and 90 people watching. That's extremely, extremely terrible. You need to go and like up the stream. That's all I ask. I'm giving a lot of education. All of this stuff, whether it's free or not, all you guys have to do is show some appreciation and like up stream. So when we get to 50 likes, I will continue. I will be right back. Like up the stream and I will be with you once we get 50 likes. It's not difficult to do it. Like the stream, not the chat box, right? So like up the stream, get to 50 likes. It's not difficult. It's extremely easy to do it. It's one click of a button. You have to sign in, but do it for everyone, all right? I will be back in 2 minutes and see where we're at. All right, let's see how many likes we have. Guys, like the stream, not the chat box. 37, there we go. We're cooking. We're cooking on high heat. Come on, come on. LRMR, this has no volume. Nothing for me on LRMR. Maybe above here, 331. Entries above 331. LRMR. What is this? Larimar Therapeutics. Entries above 331. LRMR entries above 331. If you're in now, difficult to trade this. Very difficult to trade it right now. PTIX. Someone asked me about this earlier. PTIX. Nothing unless $4.30. Entries above 430. Nothing below. What do you get about GVH? I bought it at 18 cents. Wow. Should have been taken. Hope you take some profits. 40 cents is your resistance level, as I mentioned. Needed to get above 40 cents to look for re-entries. Right now, it's coming down. Difficult. Can't really trade something like that. Oscar. Oscar's very nice. I like this for a swing trade. Looking good. Looking good. Your next key resistance level is all the way up here at 22.78. All right, this looks fantastic. Like this setup a lot. CNVS. Someone asked me about this earlier. Nothing really going on, to be honest. Above view up was what I mentioned. Around $5. AMIX. What's happening at AMIX? AMIX, nothing. Entries above 150 only. AMIX entries above 150. That means you do not enter below. Not 149, not 149.5. That's it. Do you have to pay for Discord? Yes, our Discord you have to pay. We do live trading every single day. We do swing trades. We do day trade alerts with entry stop loss targets. We do option trades. And most importantly, our Discord, just to be honest with you, we're not here to give you alerts 100 a day. We focus on quality. So we give around maybe 3-4 each a day, right? We have a much higher win rate, over 75% for myself. Hassie's a bit higher, like 80, 85. Every single trade's recorded in the Discord, wins, losses, break evens. You can see it there. Everything's there. But the main thing is what you pay for in the Discord, in my opinion, is what you're paying for is the education. All our strategies, all our hard work, everything is pretty much given to you. You can say it's a course or whatever. The seminar videos are there. Our strategies, why we take the trades, how to read candlesticks, support and resistance. You can just start today if you never looked at a chart. It's from beginner friendly all the way to, experienced traders. So that is what we have. That's what we offer. It is up to you if you want to join. Feel free. Screen recording. Wait, what do you mean? How do I do the screen recording with it? Because I'm just going to put the Tiger Line Trading logo. Nothing on this OS. Nothing. No, there's absolutely nothing. Sorry. Shake Shack. Wow, Shake Shack's $140. Damn. Shake Shacks. I only like their milkshakes. Their burgers are good, but they have very good milkshakes. They have the Dubai chocolate one coming in. How many people have tried the Dubai chocolate? I know They have some there in Chicago, but they're like the fake ones, and they are apparently trash. People are paying like $50 for them. Although the real one here is expensive. It's like $20 for a chocolate bar. It's quite expensive. How many people have tried it? Also, where's everyone from? I'm curious to know. This one, I don't know. Shaq, it's heading to 150, but if you're looking for an entry above 141, probably. BGL. Ooh, BGL's running. Okay, BGL's up 500%. Oh, this is 109. This is $119. I don't know. This is 119. Sub 500%. I would just avoid it on a Friday. Don't want to be caught in the downside on this thing. Come on, guys. Yes, it's the least we can do. Yes, like upstream. What are your thoughts on LCFY? I wish I could see who liked the video, and then I would ignore their post if they didn't like it up. LCFY, you can take an impulse entry above 551. Above 551, which is the high of day, so you can wait for 551 to break and then take an entry. It's going to move very quick. It's very volatile. $6 is your major resistance though. But looks good. I'll just keep on my watch list for now. Impulse buys above $6, but obviously 551 is the entry here as well. LCFY, yeah, it's very, very volatile right now. EOSE. EOSE. What is my EOSE? So you have a resistance here. You see this? 479. Just put 480. Above 480 looks good. I really do actually like this above 480. I would wait, honestly, if this can close above 480 on 5, 10, 15, whatever time frame you decide. But yeah, I like this EOSE. I'm going to keep on watch this. EOSE. I like this over 480. Right. Add this to the watch list. I'll put it in like green, I guess. On Buru. Nice. Is Buru running? Can you recommend paper for daily goals? Recommend a paper? You mean paper trading or what? What question are you asking there? Nah, Buru is a trash stock. I don't care if this thing runs. This thing's a load of shit. BIAF. What's that mean? BIAF? BAIF. Nothing on this. It's just in the demand zone right now. That's all I can tell you. Reversal, possible reversal, demand zone. Demand zone. Possible reversal. Yeah, it looks great. Belgian and Dubai chocolate. I mean, yeah, I mean, well, I don't know if Dubai chocolate itself is good because they use like different milk and that here, but the woman who did it, she's doing an absolutely great job. KSA, what up? Saudi. EPWK. Right, I'm gonna do these last few, then I'm done. EPWK, no volume on this. I would avoid this play. Nothing on this, honestly. I'm gonna go through my watch list after this as well. Iron, I went over iron already. It needs to break a certain level. 1075. SRFM. Entries above $4 only. Nothing below. Ooh, just, yeah. Just, I don't know. Be careful of that. Yeah, get in and out. ASTI, nothing on this. $5. You can maybe try impulse above like here. 330. Like $1 below this, but it's too much noise here. Look. There's too much resistance around here, so I would avoid this. ZBAO, right. ZBAO. Nothing on ZBAO, not too sure what you see on this. There's no volume, nothing. It's difficult to trade something like this. Yeah, it's just ranging like this. Maybe above like 115. Right, Zeta and then PSTV. PSTV, leave it. They have an offer in pending. Just be careful of that. Be careful, be careful, be careful. You can wait for a downtrend break on Zeta. Wait for downtrend break. Yeah, wait for downtrend break on Zeta. I just wouldn't enter right now. Yeah, PSTV, just be careful. They have S1 on file. Entries above 445. This is the high. Difficult to trade this right now. Lucid Motors. Lucid, you can enter above like 226. What is this level? 227, 228. Yeah, it's above 228. So Lucid entries above 228. All right, I'm gonna go through my watch list and then I'm gonna head into Discord. Aboye said 430. Shall I sell at 480? Up to you. Have a stop loss and a target. I would say 5% stop loss, 5% target. That's something that I use around that level. Yeah, just understand why you got on the trade and learn from it next time if you're down or up. I can't remember what price it was at. INMB might be a possible reversal here, to be honest. Looks good. Keep this on watch though. I will be watching this at open since it's holding this $9 psychological level. Very nice. There you go. Rightio. Okay, LCFY, what's happening here? Yeah, so Impulse was above here. Not sure if you took this one. Looks good. We'll keep this on watch. GNS entries are above 131. NAOV needs to hold 110. BBLG, nothing on this exciting yet. GCTK, I'm going to just remove it for now. INMB is holding $9. I like this setup. Looks good. BBAI, I only like this above $6. CYN, this is probably the best play, but it's $25. I don't trade anything over 10. CNVS is trying to push up. Maybe a possible reverse on this. We'll see. SRFM is pushing up now as well. So I would look for entries on this. Worth entries. This is definitely worth entries now on SRFM. SRFM, worth entries now. Keep a stop loss. All right, guys, gonna head into the weekend, head into Discord now, do live trading for 30 minutes, and then I'm done at 10 a.m. Eastern, all right? I have other commitments since I live in Dubai. It's pretty much the weekend here, and it's a holiday as well. So yes, I will be here for maybe share 1 or 2 setups on Twitter, but if you want to join Discord, we'll be live trading there for like 30 minutes now, and then